This is some nice trim across that track, in case anybody is showing. It's nice black trim. As you can see, this comes off nicely. And for these, oh, it's hard to line this stuff up looking through the camera. So these just come on here, like so. Just put these back in, hopefully. Alright, let's try this one. I'll get this camera thing down here pretty soon. Let's try this one over here now. HD's already picked out his spot right there by the big window so he can look out. Haven't you, buddy, huh? You already picked out your spot? Yeah, brought his toy in. He says, "This spot is mine." That's okay with me. He can be my navigator. I will be taking off all this rubber and putting some sound deadening in. So this rubber is just like on the outside. It just covers up the screws. As you can see, it just comes right on off. It shows the screws. And a little help. And it's off. No rust, so that's good. That's a plus. Yeah, this old rubber is very hard and very brittle. It's really tough on the knees. But this will all be replaced. Deconstruction is well on its way, little by little, tearing the bus apart. Starting to pull off these side lights here and this fascia, or the wire run that is. As you can see up under it, there's not much. Mainly wires running back to the tail lights and side lights, and this right here is the fiberglass top shell. So I'll have to do a little insulation. I'm not making this a Four Seasons bus. I'm going to be following the weather. So I don't want to do too much to it. Don't need to. So deconstruction continues. Taking off this foam rubber at the top here. The other side was stuck pretty good. This side, not so much. I'm going to take this inner panel off, because as you can see, I've got 2 inches of foam up there, or 1.5 inches of foam up there. And then we've got this other one inside the fiberglass. So I think I'm going to put some 1/2 inch foam up there. Give me another inch of headroom. Well, about 3/4 of an inch of headroom extra. I got about 1.5 inches now. But this side's coming off a whole lot easier than this side did. I think the person glued this side first, and then glued this side, and then used half as much glue. On to the next phase.